The question is express each number as a product of its prime factors. The numbers are 140, 156, 3825, 5005 and 7429. Solving them one by one, first we take 140 and we use division method to solve them. We use division method. 140, this is equal to 140 using the division method. It is 2 divided by 2, it becomes 70. Then again by 2 it becomes 35. Then dividing by 5 it is 7. And lastly 7 it is 1. So we can say 140 is equal to 2 into 2 into 5 into 7. So its prime factors are 2 raised to the power 2 into 5 into 7. Now second part is, that is the number is 156. Again we will use the division method. 56 dividing by 2, it is 78. Then again by 2, it is 39. Then by 3, it is 13. And by lastly 13 it is 1. So prime factorization of 156 is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 13, that is 2 raised to the power 2 into 3 into 13. This is the answer, this is the answer. Third part is number is 3825. This is 3825. Solving it, 3825 dividing by first 3, it comes 1275. Then again by 3, it is 425. Then we divide it by 5, it is 85. Again by 5, it is 17. And lastly 17, it is 1. So prime factorization of 3825 is equal to 3 into 3 into 5 into 5 into 17. That is 3 raised to the power 2 into 5 raised to the power 2 into 17. It's the answer. Now moving on to the fourth and fifth part. Moving on to the fourth and fifth part. Fourth part is prime factorization of 5005. In all these divisions we use the division formula. Then this is equal to 5005 using the division method. First divide by 5, it becomes 1001. Then by 7, it is 143. Then by 11, it is 13. And lastly divided by 13, it is 1. So 5005, its prime factorization are 5 into 7 into 11 into 13. This is prime factorization also. Last part is 7429. Now 7429, making its factorization by prime method. First it is divided by 17 and answer comes 437. Now we divide it by 19 and it is 23. Lastly by 23, it is 1. So prime factorization of 7429 is equal to 17 into 19 into 23. They are the answers.